Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the ONEAUTH app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The ONEAUTH app by Zoho is a solid authenticator tool that goes beyond standard 2FA with features like push notification, passwordless sign-ins, and secure backup of OTPs. It works not only by Zoho account but also for third-party logins like Google or Twitter, which make it a versatile cross-device synchronization and recovery option, add an extra layer of convenience for user managing multiple accounts. On the flip side, users report occasional issues with push notification not arriving, which can be a major frustration. It locked you out. Device migration or recovery can also be tricky if you haven't set up a backup properly. Overall, ONEAUTH is worth using if you want a feature-rich authentication app with passwordless option, but not reliable concern if you want a perfect passwordless. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.